Good morning, everyone. I'm Debbie Sandstrom, the Associate Director at the Tutorium. I'm here just to give you a little bit of information because the end of the semester is coming and it's time to prepare for fall. You received this PowerPoint in your email yesterday, so there's no need for you to take notes. Are you going to study with us next semester? Fall is starts August 22nd, so register by August 8th to secure your spot. If you register early, if you register by July 18th, you get a discount of $325. The fall class schedule is very similar to this summer. Classes are Monday through Thursday, though, 4 days a week. So Friday is lovely and to take care of doctor appointments and do errands and go on picnics. Fall 2022 tuition and fees, all the details related to that are on the website. Paying is the same system as this summer. Tuition is $6,500 for a full-time student. You can sign up for a payment plan as soon as you register. How do you register? Watch your email. On July 11th, you will get an email with all the details of how to do that. It's actually very easy. What are you going to do at the end of July and the beginning of August during your break? Are you going home or traveling internationally and then planning to come back for fall? If you are, you need your I-20 signed by OIS. You could do it online. Do it now. Don't wait. You want to be sure you're organized. OIS is very busy, so don't wait. We never know what is happening next with COVID, so be prepared. Make your plans carefully. Look at the calendar. Allow for some extra time when you buy your tickets. Next semester, just like all semesters, you need health insurance, so be sure that you buy health insurance for fall. Are you transferring to another school? Be sure that you are organized about this too, because there's paperwork. Get your acceptance letter from your other school and start talking to OIS now. Are you living in campus housing? If you want to stay there between summer and fall, then be sure you apply for that through the housing office. And remember that they're getting ready for hundreds of fall students, so you don't want them to forget about what you want to do. As you know, almost all the information you need is on the Tutorium website, but if you have any questions, you can email us. Beata and I check the email every day. And if you have any questions, you can see me today in Adams Hall 101, 11 a.m. to 12:15. Just drop on in. Bye.